Coosa River Art Expo in Wetumpka, Alabama. Down at the farmer's market on the other side of the river from the city. The farmer's market that was made famous by Ben and Aaron from the Hometown Takeover Show, HGTV.
Jess, thank you for all of your patience with me and for doing this event for us. And I know you just don't get what you deserve in a lot of your performances, and I hope that we've done what we should to give you what you deserve in this one. And this is my gift to you, okay? Thank you.
Did you see it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, wow. That's incredible. Good deal. Beautiful day down here at the Coosa River Art Expo. All kind of exhibits. Whoa, whoa. Wow, it's a little windy. Home sweet home.
Yeah.
How are y'all doing?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm doing great. A lot of nice exhibits here. Banks of the Coosa River Art Expo. Sabrina's homemade peach.
Homemade peach and apple pie.
There you go. All right, we're down here at the Coosa River Art Expo. Looks good. I bet it tastes good.
was number 2, and she didn't really care for that song.
Twisted Spoon.
Yes, sir.
Okay. first.
So you do all kind of
And it was turned down by
Twisting
Brenda
spoon artwork. Look at this.
and Roy Driscoll.
Wow.
Heard it and liked it.
Looks good.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Is this all silver work or what?
Silver plated, you mean?
Okay.
Silverware.
Scrunchies. Everybody knows what scrunchies are. Patriotic hair bow.
Hi, stranger.
Well, hey. Hey, how are you? Some beautiful artwork. I like that ship. Hey,
How's it going?
it's going well. How's it going with you?
Doing well.
You're into woodworking, I see.
Yes, sir.
Serene Craft Works. Hey, Wanda.
Hey, how you doing,
The Coosa River Art Expo.
Pretty nice layout you got right here. Like it.
Hey, you sound like you're an art fanatic. You sound like it.
Hey, how are you? You're a healing artist. Awesome.
Name of it, healing art. Yes, sir.
It's
I
awesome.
wish I could be a healing. I wish I actually could be the healing art.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Swift Tide Clothing. Is that you?
Yes, sir, that's me.
All right.
Based here out of Wetumpka, Alabama.
There you go. So you do all this
I do all the design work.
t-shirts and everything, huh?
Yes, sir. T-shirts,
Oh, yeah.
hats, stickers, beanies.
Well, great. Looks good. Well, there you have it. The first edition of the Coosa River Art Expo, July 2021.